Labels next to the exterior handle indicate how to open the door from the outside. Check through the observation window that the cabin pressure indicator does not flash. Push the flap in and grasp the handle. Lift it fully up to the horizontal green line. Pull the door outwards and push forward until it locks in the fully open position. For safety reasons, lower the handle into its recess. Prior to closing, push the gust lock to unlock the door. Lift the control handle and move the door towards the frame. Push the door in and lower the control handle. The door is locked when the handle is flush with the fuselage.